Okay, Chloe's back. Actually, I'm starting a new job and won't be able to continue doing Chloe's reties for time reason. And this will be my last time doing her retie. She has kept a 6-week schedule. You can see what her new growth looks like. Her hair grows fast, which is a blessing. And we're gonna let her do some more practicing today, and then she and her mom will take over her reties. This is the tool we're using. I bought these on Amazon, and we'll check back in with you when we have a section done. Okay, so we're making progress, but I wanted to show you guys something. So Chloe has braid locks, right? And so we started her locks by braiding them. So she is 6 months in. I haven't retied this lock yet, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the lighting isn't very good in here, but I'd say the braid starts about right here. So she has this much growth in 6 months that has been retied. And then you have the braid, if you can see that pattern. And then where we left her ends out, I thought we left about 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch out. And her hair is very coily, so they curled really well. Well, you can see the bottoms are now locking, and that's kind of what my hair did at 6 months in the back, especially. It really started locking, and you could tell my hair was turning into locks and not just twist about 6 months in. So actually, somewhere between 3 and 6 months. So that's interesting. So she has the retie situation, which looks like a lock on top. She has the loose ends turning into a lock. And then in the middle, she has the braid, but I feel like her braid blends really well. And while braid patterns tend to stay for a few years, I don't know. I suspect Chloe's might surprise us and turn it to a lock. One thing is for sure, her hair seems to understand the assignment. It just has been doing very well from day one. So I just wanted to show y'all that. Okay, so we finished most of this side. This is retied. This is not retied. And I did leave these at the top. She's gonna practice on this top row, but I'm gonna go ahead and retie this and probably this side and let her practice on the top row and then on the left side. Making progress on this side. It looks good. Okay, one more thing. So when you're doing your retie, I encourage you to end by going top to the bottom. Otherwise, like these, we end it from right to left, and the locks are wanting to flow that way. When I try and put them down with the rest, they still pop over, and it'll take her hair growing out a little bit or a couple washes or whatever before that settles. So be mindful of that to the extent that you can control. Whether you're doing a 2-point, 3-point, 4-point rotation, whatever, then be mindful of trying to end on downward. Now, we are not going to force these because it was painful, and you definitely don't want like traction alopecia from pulling your hair straight out your head. So that's all. Chloe is practicing doing her own because she intends to self-maintain. Her mother will help her. She's doing well. She's done she's on the 4th one on the 1st row. And then she's gonna do another row, and then I'll take over. But we've done the back. And we've done this side. And it all looks good. Now, when she finishes that, I'm gonna take it to the top, and then I'll leave 1 or 2 for her to do on her own. And she can do that here or at home. You see her, she's wearing black, but you can see her hair is practically where it was when we started 6 months ago. So hopefully she can come back in a year and I can do her 1-year retie if my schedule permits and if she is into it, and we can show you guys the progress. So this is it. This is Chloe's final retie with me, at least for a while, and she did a great job on the locks that she did. You can see that her hair is practically where it was 6 months ago when we started. So the shrinking I guess, has done what it's going to do, and Kloe is gonna maintain her locks. All right, Kloe, you've been braid locked for 6 months. Any thoughts, any comments, any wisdom for the people? Okay, see you later.